These 5 words now, at the right time, the right moment, will make her body surrender to you. And so you're gonna wanna write these words down. You're gonna wanna say them. I'm gonna teach you how to say them, because if you say them the wrong way, it will give her the ick. It'll do just the opposite of turn her on. Her body will not surrender. If you say it the wrong way, her body will actually be rigid, like, oh my God, please don't. Why? God, help. We don't want that response from her. If you're wondering who this giggly woman is, I'm Arica Angelo, and I've been helping men just like you for the past 18 years. I'm the woman who's going to tell you the things that your wife, your girlfriend, the girl you're interested in, she's never going to tell you, but I will tell you because I love you and I want to give you the tools because I believe that you have what it takes. So here's the thing. Every woman wants something to be excited about. So when you are preparing her for the bedroom, when you are preparing her to just be soft and receptive to you, because you know us ladies have become so masculine these days, and we need that extra help from you to help us surrender more, to be more in our body, to be more soft, to be more playful. We need your help. So I'm going to teach you exactly what to say to her, but here's the thing. When you ever say things to a woman from a place of pleading, desperation, nervousness, a command that comes from insecurity, like, for example, I remember being in Thailand, and a guy, I don't know why I'm going into this story, but stay with me. A guy in Thailand, he was like, we were hanging out here and there, and he was like, I'm going to these like BDSM classes, and I wonder if you'd want to participate with me in these BDSM classes. Now, for one. For two, I knew that he was super nervous asking me this. So he didn't even show up in the right energy of like, hey, this is something that I'm really into, and I think it would be something that you would really like and benefit from. He didn't come from a confident energy. Had he come from a confident energy, would have that changed things? I ain't trying to have nobody slap me around. No, I'll slap your ass around. No, it wasn't that. It was just the energy that he came. So how you approach her, the way that you say things has a huge role in things. I've talked about this before. It's your cadence, it's your delivery in this. So when you say something to her and it sounds like this, I'd like to go on a date with you. What do you think of that? I want to do this with you, woman. You get what I'm saying? It's like you may think, Arica, I would never do that. That's just common sense. That's a bunch of bullshit, because common sense and common doing are two different things. What do I mean by that? Meaning, let's say that things in your life have not been going your way, so you do feel a bit beat up. Or let's say that maybe you screwed up with her, and so she's a bit pissed at you. So when you want to fix it and say these 5 words, you're like, I don't know how she's going to receive that. She may not be so open to receiving this from me. So when life hits you and you have these weird circumstances, these weird situations that you have to navigate through, yeah, of course you're going to feel timid. Why? Because you're a human being. If you don't remember that, here's your newsflash. You are. In fact, in the comment section, just say, I'm a human being, because I think sometimes you guys can have unrealistic expectations. So when I give advice like this, you're like, that would never happen to me. Bullshit. It happens to everyone. And on your bad day, it may happen to you. So what exactly are you going to say? I'm going to tell you the exact 5 words you need to say, but also I'm going to teach you how to say them. And those words are, I'm going to lick you. Now you can see why if the timing on this isn't so right, it can blow up in your face. For example, if you call her and she has a screaming baby on her hip and she has a pile of laundry that she's doing, and you call her and you say, hey, I'm gonna lick you. She's like, what the are you talking about, John? Quit around. I've got a crying baby. I've got shit in his diaper, and I've got a pile of laundry. filled with your dingleberries. Did you know that I know what a dingleberry is? Yes, I do, because I was a baseball manager in high school. Shout out to Coach Key, who just passed away, from Galveston Island. I don't know why. I gotta shout him out because we used to always joke on the baseball field about all the boys on the team having dingleberries. If you don't know what a dingleberry is, please tell the other guys in the comment section below. But yeah, if you say, I'm going to lick you in that wrong moment, or let's say she's stressed about money and she's like, oh, this bill wasn't paid, or that wasn't paid, or the car's not working, and you're like, I'm going to lick you. Can you see why this would be just a disaster? But when you find that right moment, and how do you set up that right moment? Well, I'm glad you asked. The way that you do is you start off with just affirming her, telling her that she's beautiful, that she's sexy, that you want to take her out on a date, or sending her some flowers. All of those things to kind of warm her up. Imagine her as like this ice queen, and you're just giving her these little things to kind of warm her up over time. After you've warmed her up, then you're going to say it, and you're going to say it just like this. I'm going to lick you. You can say it like this. I'm going to lick you. And you can say it like this. I'm going to lick you. You get how you can say it in so many different sexy ways. You can look at a certain way. You can lick your tooth a certain way. All of these things can get her really, really, really turned on to where she's like, damn, oh my gosh, when did he become so sexual? When did he become so hot? Oh my gosh, I'm turned on. I got a little like fire burning in my vagina. The clitoris is heating up. Wonderful. This is amazing. And what happens is when you deliver on that promise, her body just surrenders over to you. It's like, whoa, this is a man who knows what he's doing. Now, I have a whole free training about this that I really walk you through how to deliver this and then some. It's called the Female Pleasure System. You can watch that free training. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. But when you know how to set her up for pleasure and you've got that full system going to where you're like, okay, I know that if I approach her this right way, and I talk about all the 5 things to just really make this super easy, super seamless for you. It's in that free training. Go watch it. But when you can deliver it in that sort of way, when you've already set things up, you've built that anticipation for her where she's just like, oh my God, I cannot wait till he puts it down on me in the bedroom. And you do it in the right time. Timing is of the essence, and how you say it is of the essence. And of course, the promise of those 5 words, I'm going to lick you. Now, I'm not going to lick you because you're going to go watch this video right here. And if you didn't subscribe, do yourself a favor and subscribe right now. See you there.